I'm going to be talking some trash about the trash. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Thanks for clicking on this video. On my channel, I like to share all of my organizing tips and strategies, so if that's something you like to watch, please stick around, because today I'm going to be talking some trash about the trash. Okay, so when we're talking about organization, we are talking about simplifying everyday tasks. The more you simplify it, the faster it'll go for you. So today I want to talk about our garbage. So I'm going to share with you 3 of my favorite garbage can hacks that make the process of getting the garbage out the door a little bit easier. And if you stick around to the end, I have a bonus tip that is a real game changer that'll make all the difference the next time you are entertaining with a party. Okay, so the first tip I want to share with you is about keeping the garbage bag from falling into the can. The heavier the garbage gets inside the can, the more likely it is that as you go to dump that saucy dish in there, the whole side's going to cave in and it's going to get all over your can. So all you need to use are simple command hooks and stick them to the side of the can, then loop the little straps right through there. It'll prevent the bag from falling back in. If you don't use garbage bags with these ties, you can also use binder clips with the same kind of technique. Just simply hook the command hook upside down again on the can, and you clip the binder clip to the bag and then use the binder clip as your anchor to the command hook. Okay, the next tip I want to talk about involves the frustration I always face when I go to throw something out and notice that no one has replaced the garbage bag in the can. I don't know if you ever have that. If you have teens, it'll happen all the time. And the reason we often avoid replacing the bag after we take one out is because we're storing the garbage bags in another area in the kitchen and we have to go walk, get it, and come back. It's that little extra step that makes us not do the task. So the next time you bring a new set of garbage bags home, take them out of the box. Take the whole roll and just throw it in the bottom of the can. That way, when you go to take the garbage bag out, your replacement garbage bags are right there ready to go. No excuses, the task is done. Okay, another aggravation dealing with the garbage is when you have it really full and you go to pull this bag out and the suction just holds onto it and you're like shaking and shaking and then the bag breaks and it's a big mess. One way to avoid that suction that you get when you're trying to pull a garbage bag out of the garbage can is to simply drill about 1 inch up from the bottom, drill a hole here and maybe a hole on the other corner. It'll allow air to get in so that the suction can't take hold. That little bit of air being allowed in the bottom will make it effortless to pull the bag out when it's full. Now, if you still struggle pulling the bags in and out of the can, go ahead and add a couple more holes in the back of your garbage can. It'll make it go a lot smoother. I actually ended up putting 7 or 8 in the back of mine. No one can see it, but it allows the air to flow so the bags come in and out easily. So there you have it. Those are the 3 easy ways you can make the daily task of taking out the garbage a lot faster and a lot easier. Okay, and for those of you who have stuck around to the end, thank you. I want to share with you a tip I use, and it is a game changer when it comes to entertaining. When you have a lot of company and you're feeding them and you're watching that garbage fill up. When you go to set up your garbage can before you start entertaining, put multiple bags, one inside of the other. That way, when one fills up, you pull that first one out and the other ones are there and ready to go. When you're entertaining, you don't want to take a long time replacing bags at all. So this way, it's just a pull and go and you're done. That has made all the difference for me when I've had a party and I want to get the garbage out when it gets full. So let me know, which one of these tips do you think would work best for you? Or if you have a garbage can hack that you'd like to share, I'd love to hear about it. So please go ahead and leave it in the comments below. Okay, I hope you found this tip helpful. If you did, please let me know by clicking that like button below, the big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, thanks again for sticking around to the end. Please hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my upcoming organizing videos. I'm Pam with Organizer AZ 911. I'll catch you next time. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Here's another video I think you might enjoy. And YouTube thinks you might like this one as well. And for more organizing tips, be sure to follow me on my socials. All the links are found below.